Good morning, everybody. It's Lee and Doris at Barbacoa. So today is Wednesday, which means it is our gourmet mac and cheese special that we serve. We have 5 different ones that we serve. And Doris, which one are we going to show everybody today? Oh, she's busy here. What mac and cheese special are we doing? So we're doing the taco
macaroni, brisket macaroni. I don't remember the smoked chicken and fried onion.
Mac and bones and double trouble.
And double trouble is that?
Yeah. They all have different ingredients.
Double trouble is pulpo and bams.
Yeah, and they all have different ingredients. If you go online, you can read about them. There's quite a bunch of stuff put into each one of these little macaroni specials that we serve. Doris is going to do the taco macaronis today. So she is showing you on here she's using Mexican chicken.
So that one is
goes in the cast iron bowl. Mexican chicken. Ooh, look at all that cheddar cheese on there. Look at, she just missed my shoe.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
David's awesome bacon.
Yep.
Everything is piled on top of this gourmet mac and cheese. Look at that bubble. This is so good, you guys. There's some pico de gallo.
Guacamole.
Fresh guacamole. And sour cream. There's still a finishing touch on this baby. So this is a special today. There's 5 different kinds you can choose from. You can see them online.
Oh,
They're $7.99 today.
so yummy.
And this one is called the taco macaroni. And you can go ahead and pick whatever meat you would like to put on that. So we look forward to hearing from you guys.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Bye.